Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Sharp EL-510 calculator to simplify proper fractions. So as you can see, we have a question here. 56 over 64 is equal to 7 over 8. We can, of course, solve this by hand, but I'm going to show you how to solve it on the Sharp EL-510 calculator. So the key to this is going to be this button right here. It's your ABC button, and that's going to allow us to input fractions just as easily as we put decimals or integers into the calculator. So here's how it works. 56, and I'm going to press ABC, and I get this little R symbol, and what that's going to represent is the fraction bar here, so 64. So this is the calculator's interpretation of 56 over 64, and if I just hit equals, it'll automatically simplify it for me. So here we can see that I get 7 over 8, and that's the calculator's representation of 7 over 8. Now, there's an additional functionality. If I just press the ABC button, I'll toggle between the decimal form and the simplified mixed form of my fraction. So let's practice here. So pause the video for a moment and try these out with your calculator and see if you can get the proper results. So let's take a look at this first one. So we've got 108 over 144, and this will simplify to 3 over 4. Let's try our next one, 216 over 300. So 216 ABC 300, press equals. This is equivalent to 18 over 25 in lowest terms. And finally, let's take a look at 512 over 4096. So 512 ABC 4096, hit equals, and I see that this simplifies to the fraction 1 over 8. We'll be taking a look at more functionality of this calculator in later videos, but for now, live it, learn it, love it.